So guys, in today's video I'll be giving away 8 original Hamster Kombat bike key code, all for free. If this is the first time of you visiting my channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you get notified each time I provide or give away free codes just like this one I'll be giving today. So guys, here is the code. And so guys, if you are able to use any of the key code, please comment the number of the key code from number 1 to 8, which one worked for you. And if you like this video so far, kindly give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, ensure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you get notified each time I provide a giveaway just like so. I still remain your virtual assistant Gideon, and see you in my next video.